kids, I'm Ardie from the Okanagan Regional Library, and I am here to do a fun summer reading club activity with you. I'm going to teach you how to make shaving cream paint and to turn that shaving cream paint into maybe marbled paper that you can turn into a card. So first thing you need, just a basic cheap white shaving cream, and you will need some food coloring. You will also need a flat tray or dish. I'm using this dish here. And piece of paper, as many pieces as you want, and then something to scrape the shaving cream off of the paper. So I'm just going to use some like cardstock here. This is some summer reading club leftover activity cards, and I'm just going to use that to scrape because it's a little bit sturdier. So first things first, I'm going to tilt this down so you can watch what I'm doing. Here we go. We're going to take the shaving cream and just put it onto the plate, just like that. How cool is that? That looks fun, huh? Okay, and then I'm going to take some food coloring and just drop some drops in. Doesn't matter how many drops you do whatever you want. Here's another color. I think this is purple. Ooh, that's going to be dark and rich. And now I've got a greeny yellow. And let's do another drop. That looks like Christmas here. And then we've got blue. And let's put blue over here, a little more. Let's get some blue in there. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention, you will need a spoon. Okay. Now I take, or a stick or something, I'm going to take this spoon and I'm going to, with this end, just mix it all up. Look at the beautiful colors happening there. Wow, that looks so cool. I have to tell you, I haven't done this yet. I've just seen it done, so you are experimenting with me. This is my very first time trying to make marble paper. Wow, isn't that the coolest? So I guess you could do whatever designs you wanted in the paper, mix it in as much or as little as you wanted. I'm kind of going crazy here with the mixing. Okay, now, oh, look at that spoon. That looks so cool. Can you see that? Oh, there we go. Okay, now I'm going to take a piece of paper. I took just a regular white piece of paper and I folded it in half so it can be turned into a card. And I'm just pressing it down into the shaving cream. Just like so. Then I lift it up, and now I'll try and tilt this up so you can see. Okay, you don't have to see my face, but you do need to see that. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? But it's wet. That's kind of a problem, isn't it? It's got all that shaving cream on it. So then that's where the card comes into play. You take that card and, oh, I'm going to take this here. Here we go. And you scrape, see that? Scrape the shaving cream off. Oh, this is cool. Oh my goodness. I've got have a little flatter surface. So doing this by hand like this is not that easy. Doing it up in the air like this. But I want you to see what I'm doing. So you could scrape it off on the table. I wonder if I can show you that. Maybe I can. Let's pull that over like so, and put this down. Okay, you can see what I'm doing here, can't you? So I'm scraping the shaving cream off. And do you see how incredible that looks? That's amazing. That makes such a beautiful, beautiful piece of paper. So you could either turn paper into marble paper or turn it into a card. Isn't that gorgeous? And so then you could, after it dries, let it dry a bit, then you could write your information or your birthday card stuff or whatever kind of card you want it to be on the inside and have a cool design. And then if you want to do different patterns, you just go and you mix up and you'll have different patterns on all of your cards. Isn't that the coolest thing? So a fun thing for you to try at home. I hope you are reading and having a wonderful summer, and that you keep learning this summer too. Okay, have a great day.